The revolutionary 2025 Honda Goldwing 1800 cubic centimeters touring bike will revolutionize the way we think about long-distance riding. With its sleek appearance and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Goldwing provides unparalleled comfort, making every flight feel like a vacation. Imagine driving along a winding road, the breeze kissing your face, the motor sounding smooth, and listening to your favorite music on a superior audio system. Advanced features like touchscreen navigation and satellite navigation make you feel like you have a personal guide with you.